Your skin is the largest organ that you have, so you want to take care of it. Glowing skin is typically seen as a sign of health and vitality. Dull or dry skin, on the other hand, can make you feel less than your best. So, in this video, I will share 8 home remedies tips for glowing skin. Soothe skin with virgin coconut oil has anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and healing properties, but using coconut oil on your face may not work for every skin type. Do not use if you have allergies to coconut. If you're able to apply it without irritation, it can be used in a number of ways. You can use coconut oil to take off makeup, soothe your skin barrier, promote dewy-looking skin that's healthy below the surface layer. Coconut oil is a good moisturizer. Try massaging a small amount of coconut oil onto your face. Let it soak in for a few minutes before washing off with your normal cleanser. Aloe vera has healing properties and may stimulate new cell growth. It also soothes and moisturizes without clogging pores. Using aloe vera after you've washed your face each day may give your skin that healthy glow. It's possible to be allergic to aloe vera. Test it first by rubbing a small amount on your forearm, and if there's no reaction in 24 hours, it should be safe to use. Moisturize your skin with products that lock in moisture, promote healing, and have antioxidant properties to encourage a glowing, youthful look. Don't exfoliate your skin when it feels dry, and don't skip moisturizer just because your face feels oily. Apply moisturizer to your skin when it's still wet from a shower or from rinsing your face. This will lock in extra moisture rather than working on a surface level to make your face feel smooth. Wearing sunscreen with an SPF of 15 or above can prevent skin cancer. Keeping your skin shielded from harmful UV rays also guards against photoaging, which is the process of skin aging. Make sure to apply a product with sunscreen every morning, even on days when it's raining or the sky is overcast. I will share remaining 4 tips in next part.